Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you a very quick recipe that we all love and we all know. It is my fried chicken liver. Required very simple ingredient, which is I have my chicken liver over here, washed, clean. Some onions. This is one large onion, and then finely slice them just like that. Lots of green chilies, salt and pepper. We need some oil. I'm gonna use sunflower oil. You can use any cooking oil you want to. You can add ginger and garlic paste to this dish, but I'm not adding any ginger and garlic paste. This is how I like it. The way I'm gonna make it, it's not gonna smell bad. Like, it's liver, obviously. Some people are gonna think like, if we don't add ginger and garlic paste in chicken liver, then it may smell like weird or different or no. But we're gonna boil this first. I have my pan back there with water boiling. We're just gonna go right now and put this to boil, and then we're gonna move forward. Add your liver to the boiled water. So now we're gonna let this boil for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna throw this water away. And then I also want to mention, when I have cleaned the liver, I make sure to remove those blood, that some of the pieces has blood inside, and make sure you remove that as well, and that will give the bad smell if you don't remove this. So make sure you remove that, and those little bit fat that is in there as well. So let this boil for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna throw the water, and then we're gonna come back here. We're gonna continue cooking it. Okay guys, I have washed the pan, and I'm using the same pan, and to that I have about a cup of oil. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil, but we can take it out after. So don't wait for the oil to get too hot. Just add I have already drained all the water from the liver. So now you're gonna add all of this liver, and the heat is over medium. To that I'm gonna add salt, black pepper. Give this a mix, and we're gonna leave the heat over medium. And this will not take too long to cook. Now we're gonna add the onion, the green chilies. Okay, now we're just gonna leave it like this, cover, and let this cook. We're gonna stir this like, maybe it's gonna take 10 minutes to cook like this. In this 10 minutes, we're gonna stir it probably 2 times. But we're gonna cover this because it's gonna split all over, and it's gonna make mess everywhere. So let this cook, and then I'll show you next. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes, and you have to just be careful because this is split over, and it can split over your face as well. So just be careful. And now I want you to come close and check the liver. It has a brownish color, and the onion is cooked, the chilies, the green chilies is cooked, and this is ready to serve. And this is perfect, guys, to go on a baguette, and you can also serve this with rice as well. But that's it. This is so simple and easy, and this is like ready in 20 minutes. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. The written ingredient is down below in the description box, English and French. Hope you enjoyed this video with me, and you're gonna make this right away. Go buy your chicken liver. Onion is already in the counter, and also the green chilies in the fridge. So just make it and let me know how yours turns. You can also share your recipe with me. How do you make your fried chicken liver? And I will see you next time. Don't forget to ring the bell. Bye now.